Most high performers believe that creativity is a nice-to-have luxury, something to be pursued only after the real work is done. This is a fundamental misunderstanding of the human operating system. Creativity is not a distraction from your mission. It is the catalyst for your best innovations. Today, we install the Creator Advantage protocol to move you from being a passive consumer to an active architect of ideas. The constraint is operational stagnation. When you spend 100% of your bandwidth on executing existing tasks, you lose the ability to see outside your own system. You become efficient at your current job, but you lose the ability to pivot, invent, or solve high-level complex problems. To optimize, you must implement creative diversion. This is a dedicated, low-stakes environment where you build, design, or create something from zero. Execute the cross-pollination effect. When you engage in creative outlets like writing, coding for fun, design, or building, you are forcing your brain to synthesize disparate information in new ways. These out-of-work neural connections are exactly what you need when you return to your primary machine. You will find that problems you were stuck on suddenly have clear, elegant solutions because you trained your brain to think in possibility rather than just utility. Finally, practice visible output. Your creative outlet must result in something tangible. A draft, a prototype, a finished piece. It doesn't matter as long as it is an externalization of your internal process. This builds your creative momentum. A psychological state where you feel like a producer of value, not just a cog in a process. Stop treating your mind like a machine that only works on command. Build the creator's advantage and you will out-innovate every competitor who is too busy grinding to actually think. If you want to move from accidental consumption to architected growth, subscribe and join the 1% who engineer their time. Lead with value, not busy work. This is your protocol for total cognitive control.